Well, hello and welcome to this exercise on bearings and scale drawing, and a high tier type question and suitable for the top end of the foundation tier. So if you're looking for a C grade in foundation tier, you should have a go at this as well. Right, here we go. Then it says, I have to copy this down a bit, and here we go. It says the diagram um, shows the positions of three towns, and the towns are A, B, and C. So we've got A, B, and town C there. Okay, and A is 18 kilometers from. Uh, sorry, A is 18 meters. Sorry, A is 18 meters due north of B. So A is directly north of B. And C is 12 kilometers on a bearing of 070 degrees, because we are using three-figure bearing here, hence 070 degrees. And also note here that it says not drawn accurately. This is important because if you have a look at this diagram here, this diagram shows that this angle is 70 degrees, but it looks a bit, you're looking at this in real life, it looks a bit bigger than 70 degrees. So this diagram is not drawn accurately. Okay, not drawn accurately. Right. Now the second part of this says the scale of 1 centimeters to represent 3 kilometers has been used to show the positions of A and B. So in effect, 1 centimeter on paper represents 3 kilometers in real life. Bear it in mind. Okay, and then moving on from that, we down here somewhere. It then says complete. So complete a diagram to show the positions of term C, and then it says that the scale is 1 centimeter represents 3 kilometers. That's 1 centimeter on paper represents 3 kilometers in real life. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Okay, now next slide. Now, firstly, you need to draw your angle of 70 degrees. Bearing in mind that your A has got to be somewhere on this line here, and that's going north, and your B has got to be at the center of this circle, as it were, okay, and your C has got to be somewhere on this line here, okay. So we then have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70 degrees there. So this angle is now 70 degrees. So the first thing you do is to draw your north, your A, and angle of 70 degrees. Right. Now moving on from that and to the next slide, where we now have the scale. Right. And that's what I got from the what you had in the previous slide. So that's 70 degrees. Now on this scale here, from there to there is equivalent to, I have to excuse my drawing, it's equivalent to 2 centimeters there. Okay, so that's 2 centimeters, and then on that line I'm going to have my A and my B. So from A to B should be 18 divided by 3, and that should be 6. So that should be 6 centimeters there. Okay. And from B to C is, in real life, is 12 kilometers. So if you divide 12 by 3, you should get 4 centimeters on paper. So from B to C should be 4 centimeters. So that should be 4 centimeters there. And my C is there. Now having got C, I can now join A to C, and that's my triangle. Okay. So that's my triangle. Now, that's the first part of the question completed. Now, the second part of the question now follows, and that says, use measurements from your drawing. So in effect, even if your drawing is wrong in the first part of this question, and if you can draw your angle, if you can work out the three-figure bearing of C from A by measurement, you should get some mark, as long as your measurement is correct. Even if your first drawing is wrong and your second measurement is correct from your first drawing, you should get some mark for that. Right, now moving on from that, so this is our drawing for the first slide, if you remember. So now what I'm looking for now is this, the bearing of C from A. So that's my north. Okay, that's my north. I'm looking for the bearing of C from A, having got my north. So it's there. So I'm going to measure that angle, and my measurement shows that the angle is the bearing of C from A is 140 degrees. Now, bearing in mind that I'm doing this on screen, so your measurement should be more accurate than what I've got there. So by and large, this is what you expect to have. And I hope all that made some sense, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching, and bye bye now.